here at Home Depot. Roommate said that they want to get a Christmas tree, so I'm gonna go in there searching for a fake Christmas tree because Caleb is allergic to real ones. It's not a bad thing. It's really not a bad thing. But gonna go in, look for one. Once we find the real one, we'll go back home and set it up. Wow. Look at this guy. Nope, too expensive. What about this guy? Nope, too expensive. What about this guy? Well, too expensive. What about this guy? Nope. Let's try to find one that won't break our student budget. All of them were very expensive in Home Depot. So I'm gonna go to the real Christmas tree area just to check it out, just to see what's up. Wow. Wow, look at this place. It smells so good too. It smells so good in here. Wow, they're so much more cheaper. The real ones are cheaper for some reason. Wow, look at this one. That's a girthy tree. Okay, well, can't get the real one, so. So hungry right now, but we gotta find that Christmas tree. Oh gosh, why is this so hard? Why is it so hard to get into the spirit? Hey, wow, this is so much better. Wow, wow. I think I found the one. I think I found the one. Yes. Okay. I think this is the one right here. This is the one. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off. I got it! Oh my gosh. Searching for like an hour. Walmart. Walmart's the place to go for your Christmas tree. If you want one. Oh my gosh, there was a person right there and I was yelling. Okay, I'm gonna load this up, go home, and we're gonna set it up.
Play mistletoe by Justin Bieber.
That's a must. We gotta get the fire place going.
Not in this house. Michael, in there, I guess my dad, some of those ornaments don't have the hooks on them, but he was saying that there's a box of hooks in there.
You want me to become the hooker?
Yeah, the Captain Hook.
You're such a hooker. You're such a good hooker, Mike.
Thanks, man.
Kind of looks like it. This side's pissing me off. It's against the wall.
Christmas pisses me off. Wow!
Whoa, those are nice lights.
Thank you. Wow.
Unbreakable, they're unbreakable. Hey.
Oi!
Yeah.
Perfect.
Are you pregnant?
I'm not pregnant.
Are you breastfeeding?
I'm not breastfeeding.
Have you had COVID in the last 30 days?
I have not.